Caribbean women are known for being strong. But what happens when the strong woman gets tired? This Saturday at 10 a.m. on Satideh Mawnin Runnings, we're getting into a powerful conversation. Caribbean women get burnt out with the issues of life, from raising families to supporting everyone emotionally, to working, praying, giving, and just holding everything together. Who checks on the woman? Who checks on everyone else? We're talking about burnout, emotional labor, and the pressure to always be the strong one. How do Caribbean women carry so much? And what happens when life becomes overwhelming? Join us live this Saturday at 10 a.m. on Voices with Lady D on YouTube for real talk, real stories, and real solutions. Satideh Mawnin Runnings, where culture meets conversation.